Yo, what's up Hemifam family? Ryan with Hemifam back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys a little pro tip and hack when it comes to jacking up your Dodge Charger, Challenger, Durango. This works for the Scat Pack V6, all the way to the Hellcat, you name it. If you're doing mods at home like you should be, and we all are, this is something that is going to definitely save your car underneath and the pinch welds and keep them from getting pushed up all the way into the floorboards, guys. So let's go ahead and get up into today's video. But I do apologize for the lack of content lately. I've just been trying to get back into it. Haven't been doing too many car things. I've been redoing my garage. I got some lights going, redid this wall, workbenches, tool storage, buying a bunch of different tools in here. So I will have reviews and content on that. So be sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. So I really hope you guys enjoy today's video. So let's go ahead and get off into it and show you today's pro tip and hack and how you can save your pinch welds on your Dodge Mopar vehicles. Alright guys, so you got your jack out, you got your wheel chocks, jack stands. Now one important tool that you are going to need is these tools and hacks that we're going to show you for the front of the car. In the front of the car, they just have the pinch welds, and if you just use the base of the jack pad here, you risk rolling those pinch welds either up or under, and they are then destroyed as far as for future use if you plan to use this tool. These will work in front and back if you are missing a pad. So let's go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's check it out. These are what we are talking about right here, guys. These bad boys are going to save you a lot of headache in the future. It is a super simple design. All these they're basically billet pucks, and inside here are two magnets that actually magnetize and stick onto the pinch welds of the vehicle. So when you're done using them, be careful because they are forgettable. You can just pull the jack out and say, okay, we're good to go, and then they are stuck under there. That did happen to me one time. I went to look for these guys and I was like, yo, where are they at? And come to find out, they were stuck under the Durango of the car, guys. Crazy stuff. But these things are definitely gonna save you a lot of headaches. So when you have the car up in the air, you would find your spot where you want it, about right here, give or take, and you would slide the pinch weld just ever so in here, and the magnets magnetize on there. You then get your jack that fits perfectly on the puck of the jack, and you are then good to go to do your lifting, and you can crank this bad boy all the way up in the air, and the pinch welds are not going to fold or bend on you. One, it's kind of dangerous if you are lifting the car up and it happens to fold on you. It's kind of scary. Two, it is just going to save these pinch welds, and these are on Amazon. I think these were like 11 or 12 bucks, Amazon Prime. So I went ahead and got two. I do recommend getting two because that way if you have two jacks, or like I said, you could leave it on there and go to the other side, and then it's still in the same spot when you are ready to lower the car. Just do not forget to remove them. Yes, I know there are some alternatives to people that make these. I've seen them before. I know the brand, but they are very expensive. These are very inexpensive. They are designed well. And like I said, I got 2 of them for, I think it was like $24. Now, the alternative, you wouldn't even be able to buy one with the 2 that I have here. The alternative, they're around $50 for one. These are a really, really great price, guys. So if you are jacking up your car, this is going to save you. You're definitely going to want to use some wheel chocks in the back. These are just some Craftsman ones. You can pick these up on Amazon. I'll put a link in the video description. I just recently got these Duralast 6-ton jack stands. You know, a lot of us had the Harbor Freight ones. They just had a recall not too long ago. I had the aluminum racing ones that weren't on the recall list, but I went ahead and got these Duralast 6-ton ones for when I'm working on this old hag, the Durango, you know, anybody else's car. So, like I said, guys, you definitely want to get yourself some of these. Also, another little pro tip, when you are removing wheels, taking them on and off, you know, if you have an impact wrench, great, but you should always have a torque wrench. So that way you can set the lug nuts back to factory specs and be sure the wheels aren't going to fall off for whatever reason. And I believe these ones take 110 pounds, so a torque wrench is a really, really good thing to have when you're working on these cars and all that good stuff, guys. So like I said, be sure to check the video description. I will put these bad boys on there, so you can pick yourself up a couple. This is really gonna save you time and headache. I have actually messed up my pinch welds. Obviously, this is a 2015, so I just got these 2020. We're now 2021, but so I hope this video helps one person out there, a lot of you guys, to not destroy your pinch welds on your new 2020 wide bodies. You know, whatever car you currently have, and keep doing mods at home, guys. Watch our videos. If our videos can help one person, our job is done. So be sure to check the video description, like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos, tips, tool unboxings, reviews, all that good stuff. Check the video description for all of our social media links. Oh, don't forget to browse our Etsy shop. We've got lots of cool products, just like these shark antenna decals. Link will be in the video description. And I'm excited, guys. I'm glad to be back behind the camera making videos for you guys. And see you in the next one. Peace.